It's going straight to YouTube afterwards.
Why?
No, continue.
I'm a little drunk.
Now, you said you had to go get meds, Ben. But I was saying that after when I'm at work and nurses are like giving patients shots, I'd be like, let me get a shot of that. And I'd be like, no, you don't want any of this. He. And I'm like, no, I do. Seriously, you don't know how many people I pushed today.
I'm a little bit drunk.
Why are you drunk?
Well, I had pina coladas.
You had pina colada. Oh.
More than one.
What about you?
What? Shut up. Why are you filming?
See you around.
Where are you going?
You're gonna come over later, right? We're gonna watch Orphan.
I got stuff.
Come over and do what?
Watch Orphan of
Try to find more applications.
Preferably we can have sex during Orphan, because that kind of bores me.